What's up you guys, welcome to XJ Justice channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do some basic maintenance service on your Toyota Corolla to keep it running at peak performance. We're going to be replacing the cabin filter, air filter, cleaning the throttle body, and replacing the spark plugs. There's a basic maintenance service that you could do yourself, and you really don't need no special tools. All you need is a little bit of knowledge that this video is going to provide. So let's get to it. Empty the glove box. Slide this pin out. Press in on both sides of the glove box and lower it down. The filter is behind this cover. Depress the tab and remove the cover. Slowly remove the filter, paying close attention to the airflow direction arrow. A cabin filter keeps dust, dirt, pollen, and exhaust gases from entering the ventilation system in your car, keeping the air you breathe clean. Slide the new filter the same direction the arrows were facing on the old one. Put everything back and you're done. Now let's remove the air filter. Locate the air filter housing and remove the two retainer clips. The purpose of an air filter is to prevent the dust and debris from entering the engine. When the air filter gets dirty, the engine starts working harder, causing a decrease in gas mileage. Install the new air filter. Time to clean the throttle body. Remove the engine cover. Loosen two 10mm hose clamps and remove the intake boot. Remove four 10mm bolts. Do not spray directly into the throttle body. Instead, spray the throttle body cleaner on a rag. Use your finger to gently open the throttle body plate. Over time, carbon and debris build up inside the throttle body, reducing airflow, causing your car to run rough when idling. Torque down the bolts at 15 foot-pounds. Alright, now let's replace the spark plugs. Disconnect the ignition coil by depressing the tab and pulling up. You might need to use a flathead screwdriver to release the tab. Remove the 10mm bolt. Use a 9/16 magnet spark plug socket. You'll need an extension and a swivel adapter. Rotate the plug counterclockwise. New spark plugs can deliver performance benefits like better fuel economy, smoother and faster starts. The recommended type of spark plug is iridium. These plugs come pre-gapped and ready to be installed. Tighten the spark plug snug or torque down to 15 foot-pounds. Apply a small amount of dielectric grease inside of the ignition coil and reinstall it. Follow the same procedure for the rest of the cylinders. Alright you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching you guys, and stop by when I upload another Toyota Corolla video. Have a good one. Late.